Good morning. Good morning, all of you. We are discussing measurement. Measurement means it is the action of measuring something. Measuring something. What we are measuring here, Junaita? Junaita, can you tell me what we are measuring here or what we can measure? Hmm?
We can measure thumb finger to the little finger.
See, I asked, listen to me. See, I asked if measurement means it is the action of measuring something. Okay, measuring something. That means we can measure the length of the book, length of the object, width of the object, height of the person, like that. Understood? So this you told me, from thumb finger to the small finger, that is a non-standard unit, hand span. So why we are using this hand span? For what? We have to find the length. Understood? So measuring means maybe measuring the length, maybe measuring the height, something like that. Okay. So measurement means it is the action of measuring something. Maybe height, maybe length, maybe width, maybe height of the building, maybe length of the classroom, maybe length of the blackboard, like that. And we discussed the non-standard unit of measurement, and we know there are four. And why we are calling they are non-standard unit of measurement? Because we are using our body parts. Body parts are different for different person. Okay, see, the length of the body part is different for different persons, so we will get a different measures. That is not good. Okay, so we need the standard units. We need the standard units. So today we are going to discuss standard unit of measuring length. Standard unit of measuring length. So we can't use our body parts. Okay, because it is different for different person. So we need a standard unit. If I am measuring the length of the max workbook or textbook, you are also measuring, we should get the same number, same measure. Okay, if I am using my body parts, you are using your own body parts, we will get a different measures. That is non-standard. So we need a standard unit. So today we are discussing the standard unit of measuring length. Okay, standard unit of measuring length. No need to take any book. Please listen to me. Okay, no need to take any book. Please listen to me. So measuring standard unit of measuring length is called meter. Okay, standard unit of measuring length is called meter. I will share the screen. I will write, then it will be more clear to you all. So today we are discussing standard unit, STANDARD, standard unit of length. What is this length? Length means how longer an object, how longer an object is, that is length. So standard unit of measuring length is called meter. METRE. This is called meter. Okay, standard unit of measuring length is called meter. Evelyn, please tell me what is the standard unit of measuring length? What we call standard unit of measuring length is called meter. What we call meter. Standard unit of measuring length is called meter.
Meter.
What is the spelling of meter? What is spelling of meter? M
M-E,
M
T-E-R.
M-E-T-R-E, meter. Aradi, please listen. See what we call the standard unit of measuring length. Standard unit of measuring length. Aradi. Standard unit of measuring length. What we call?
Meter.
Meter. Aradi, tell me the answer. Standard unit of measuring length.
Meter.
Meter. I will ask another person. Muhammad Rishan, what is the standard unit of measuring length?
Meter.
Meter. Jahan Judy, what is the spelling of meter? Look at the board. Tell me the spelling. M-E-T-R-E. Okay. I will call out the name and they will give me the answer. That's why I'm muting all the persons. Okay. Now I'm calling each person. They will give me the answer. Others, please mute your device. Now, tell me what is the spelling of meter, John Judy? John Judy, what is the spelling of meter? Please unmute and tell me. What is the spelling of meter?
R-E.
M-E-T-R-E, meter. Standard unit of length, meter. This unit meter we are using, see where we can use this meter and all, for measuring the length of the classroom, for measuring the length of the cloth. See, you may be seen if you're going with your parents to the shops for buying the frock cloth or shirt piece or pant piece, they will use the meter scale and they will measure 2 meter, 3 meter, something like that, and they will cut the piece and give. So they have a meter scale, meter rod will be there with them. Okay, using that meter rod, they will measure the length of the cloth, they will cut the cloth and they will give us. So this meter we are using for measuring the length or measuring the length classroom, height of the building. Height of the building also we are using meter. Length of the classroom, width of the classroom, we are using the same unit meter. So standard unit of length is called meter. The spelling is M-E-T-R-E, meter. Now, this word meter, no, please listen. This word meter, we can write in short, the small letter M. Okay, small letter M. In short, we can write small letter M. If I am saying the length of the classroom is 20 meter, so I can write 20 meter, M-E-T-R-E. But we are not writing like this. We will write 20 M. So from this, we should understand, from this M, we should understand the unit is meter. Okay, the length of the cloth is 3 meter. So M, you can see, this we read as meter. So in short, we can write this meter, small letter M. Small letter M. See, 10 meter. We can write like this, 10 meter. See, 30 meter. Like that. So this meter unit we are using for measuring the length of the classroom, height of the building, something like that, or width of the room, length of the cloth. All these kinds of things will come. Now, if you want to find the length of, see your pencil, the length of the pencil we have to find out. We can't use this meter. So we will use its smaller unit. Usually we are using the scale, no? Usually we are using the scale for measuring the length of the pencil. Length of the pencil or length of the book, workbook, textbook or notebook. We are using the scale. So we are using the smaller unit of length that we call centimeter. Okay, smaller unit is centimeter. C-E-N-T-I-M-E-T-R-E. Okay, so the standard unit of length is meter. Sometimes we cannot use this meter. We need smaller unit. So that time we use centimeter. So centimeter is the smaller unit of meter. Okay, so the centimeter we are using length of a line, length of a ribbon, length of the pencil, length of the painting brush, length of the color pencil. That cases we are using this smaller unit. And we can write in short cm. We can write in short cm. You all have the scale with you, no? Scale. I also have the scale with me. See scale. You please
Yes, ma'am.
take your scale. This feels a ruler. See, look at the scale. You can see it is written centimeter. Cm centimeter. You can see this starting number 0. Then the big line you can see that is 1, 2, 3. Like if it is a small scale, the last number will be 15. More than that, you can see the 30 centimeter. It is written there no cm. Can you see the letter cm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, cm means a centimeter. So centimeter in short we can write as cm. Okay, so this centimeter unit we are using for measuring the length of the ribbon or a length of the textbook, length of the notebook, length of the pencil. So they all are smaller length, smaller length. Okay, see length of the classroom. Can we use the scale for finding length of the classroom? Can we use the scale ruler? No. Okay, no, we
We
can't.
should use kilometer.
So that case we use the meter. If it is a smaller one, if it is a smaller one, we use a centimeter.
Centimeter.
Use centimeter. Okay. Now let me share the screen once again. So standard unit of length is meter. Then smaller unit, smaller unit is centimeter. Understood? Smaller unit is centimeter. Now, if there is smaller unit, there should be a bigger unit, larger unit. No? See, I want to measure the length from the school to my house. Can I use the scale? No, I can't use the scale. I have to use a larger scale, a larger unit.
Kilometer.
I have to use the larger unit. In that case, I use kilometer. Kilometre. Kilometer.
Want to write this?
Okay. Kilometer. No need to write. No need to write. Please listen to me. We will understand first. Okay. This is the larger unit. Okay. This is the larger unit. That is kilometer. This also we can write in short km. Centimeter we can write as cm. Meter we can write a small letter m. Centimeter we can write as cm. Kilometer we can write km. So once again, please listen here. Standard unit of length. What is the standard unit of length? Krishnapriya, what is the standard unit of length? Standard unit of measuring length is called meter. Meter. What is the spelling of meter?
meter.
Not ER, RE.
RE.
Once again, tell me the spelling. MEE.
metre.
Okay, meter. So standard unit of measuring length is meter. And it's a smaller unit. Irene, what is a smaller unit of meter? Smaller unit of meter?
Centimeter.
Centimeter. Very good. Good, good. Now, centimeter in short we can write. How we can write in short? How we can write in short? cm. See, cm. Centimeter in short we can write cm. Okay.
Yes.
Now, not a chief minister. Okay, that is cm. Another one. See, this is cm. Centimeter. Now, see, larger unit is there. Edeland, which is a larger unit of length? Larger unit of length.
Kilometer.
Kilometer, yes, it is kilometer. If I have to find the length between my school and my house, I use kilometer. If I want to know the distance between two cities, I use kilometer. Okay, so kilometer is the larger unit. We can write in short km. We can write km is the in short we can write km. So once again, please listen here.
Mom. Mom.
Once again, please listen here. Please listen here. So standard unit of length. What is the standard unit of length? Anaya? Anaya, tell me, what is the standard unit of length? Standard unit of length is?
Meter.
Very good, very good. It is meter. Now, what is a smaller unit of meter? Daniel, smaller unit of meter. What we call the smaller unit of meter? Huh? Daniel, what we call the smaller unit of meter? We call centimeter. Daniel, tell me. Centimeter. So centimeter in short, we can write cm. Now, if you want to find the larger unit, if I want to find the distance between my house and the school, I use the bigger unit, larger unit. That is kilometer. Okay, Merin, how can I write in short the kilometer?
KM.
Km. So now these three things you understood now. Standard unit of length is meter. In short, we can write small letter m. Smaller unit of meter is centimeter. In short, we can write cm. Okay, then bigger or larger unit of meter is kilometer. In short, we can write km. Is it okay? Is it okay? So meter we can use when we are measuring the length of the classroom or length height of the building, we are using meter. If we want to find out the length of the notebook, textbook, length of the ribbon or length of the table, we use centimeter. Okay, and if you want to find out the length between two cities or school from your house, we use kilometer. Is it clear? These 6 things, 3 units, and it's a short form. Yes. Okay, so let's write in the notebook. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. And one more thing is there. See, you all show me your scale, no? If it is small one, you can see 15 centimeter. If it is a bigger one, you can see 30 centimeter. So if it is more than that, that means if it is 100 centimeter, so it will be a big one, no? 100 centimeter. So if it is 100 centimeter, we can say 1 meter. If it is 100 centimeter, we can say 1 meter. Understood? So 100 centimeter is also equal to 1 meter. Your small scale, you can see the last number 15. If it is a bigger one, you can see 30 centimeter. If it is more than that, means if it is up to 100 centimeter, we can say it is 1 meter. That means 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So let's write in the notebook, then it will be more clear to you. Okay, so please take a notebook. Please take your notebook. Let me share the screen. You can take a fresh page. Now at the top you can write standard unit of length. S T A N D A R D, standard. Please write S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D. Standard UNIT. Unit of standard unit of length. L-E-N-G-T-H. Length means how much longer it is. Longer, shorter. Are you remembering in standard one? Longer, shorter, longest, shortest. So please write in the notebook standard unit of length. Standard unit of length. Aditya, please write. Standard unit of length. We can write as points. We discuss now some points that we can write in the notebook. And here we have the first point. So here we have the first point. THE, the standard. S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D, standard.
Ma'am, I can't see the board. Ma'am, but I can see the board.
If you can't see the board, you don't worry. I will send what I am writing on the board in the group.
Ma'am,
Maybe you are facing network issue, that's why.
ma'am,
Johan, yes, Johan, tell me.
we can write in the fresh page.
Yeah, you have to write in the fresh page. You have to write in the fresh page. The standard.
I have space in the.
Yes, my dear.
I have space in the.
But that is non-standard units. This is a new topic for you. So you can write in the fresh page. The standard unit of standard spelling S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D, standard. The standard unit of.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
If you can't see the board, Abhinav, it may be the network issue. I will send the notes in the group, Abhinav. The standard unit of measuring, MEASURING.
A-S-D-R-A-R-D. What is the spelling of measuring? You.
What is the spelling of? One year, tell me louder.
Measuring.
Measuring. See, M E A
U-N-I.
S U R I N G. The standard unit of measuring length.
Ma'am, what is
L-E-N-G-T-H, length.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of measuring?
Please listen. I will say once again. M
Ma'am, E
A
A
S
S
U
U
R
R
I
I
N
N
G.
G. Measuring. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. The standard unit of measuring length is dash.
Ma'am,
S idle.
length spelling.
Length. L
L
E
S E. I can't see N
G
G
T H.
T H. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. The standard unit of measuring length is dash. What is the answer? Ivania, what is the answer? The standard unit of measuring length is? Tell me. I don't know.
Meter.
Ah, very good, Rishan. Meter. Meter. What is the spelling of meter? R-E. Spelling meter. Okay. M-E-T-R-E. Meter. The standard unit of measuring length is meter. Tirtha Jolie, tell me what is the spelling of meter? Tirtha, what is the spelling of meter?
E-T-R-E.
M-E-T-R. Okay, very good. Now the sixth part.
Ma'am, the
Yes.
meter have to write in
You have to write the spelling. You have to write the spelling.
small the spelling S-E-T-R-E meter.
Now we are moving to the second point. Okay, in short, we can write meter using this small letter M. So we can write the unit meter is written in short as dash. The unit meter is written in short as Junaida, tell me. Junaida, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I heard that you write that dash and you write meter, no? So that is small letter or cursive we have to write.
You can write in cursive, no problem. You have to write in cursive letter.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Mohammad Rishan, tell me.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed. M.
But not simply M. It's not a capital letter M. It's a small letter M. Okay. So you have to say small letter M. So you can write small letter M. The unit meter is written in short as small letter M. We can put apostrophes M.
Ma'am, I am on the
So the same way we can write centimeter also. So I will write, please listen.
Okay.
To measure, to measure, MEASURE. To measure lengths smaller than a meter comma we use dash. To measure lengths smaller than a meter. What we use is smaller than a meter. What is we use? Huh? Please unmute and tell me. Centimeter. To measure lengths smaller than a meter, we use centimeter. The spelling is If you know the spelling of meter, it's very simple. Centimeter. CENTI. Centimeter. METRE. Centimeter. To measure length smaller than. That is very important. Smaller. To measure a length smaller than a meter, we use centimeter. Now, MP, what is the spelling of centimeter? Abhinav, what is the spelling of centimeter? CE. Please look at here. CENTIMETRE. Sandria, what is the spelling of centimeter?
Centimeter.
Others, please be quiet. Sandria, tell me the spelling centimeter. What is the spelling of centimeter, Sandria? CENTIMETRE. Centimeter. Anaya, complete?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, Anaya showing some certificate and all. Very good. You took part in some competition?
Yes, storytelling competition.
Okay, very good. Congratulations. Now we can write the short form of centimeter. What is the short form of centimeter? Dhruva, what is the short form of centimeter? cm. Nakshatra, what is short form of centimeter, Nakshatra? cm. Yes, it is cm.
cm. And we have finished.
So we can move to the next point. Centimeter is written in short CENTIMETRE. Centimeter is written. Centimeter is written in short as dash. Small letter C, small letter M. Small letter C, small letter M. cm. Centimeter is written in short as cm. So if you saw 2 cm, that is 2 centimeter. 5 cm, it is 5 centimeter. On a small scale, you can see 15 centimeter. On a big scale, we can see 30 centimeter. So if it is like that 100 centimeter, we can say it is 1 meter. 100 centimeter will make 1 meter. Centimeter is written in short as cm. Centimeter is written in short as cm, small letter cm. So we will write that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Only that much. That is the last one. Kilometer we can write tomorrow. 100 centimeter equal to dash 1 meter. 100 centimeter means it is equal to 1 meter. Prarthana, will you read?
Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Prarthana, will you read the points we discussed today? The first point.
The standard unit of measuring length is
Meter.
meter. The
Second point.
unit is written in short as m. To measure length
Smaller than
a meter,
use
we use
centimeter.
centimeter.
Now the
Centimeter is written in short as cm.
Okay, Malavika, please read. Malavika, then we can wind up the session. Malavika, please read from the start.
The standard unit of measuring length is measure.
Meter. Malavika,
Length is meter.
Next point, the unit.
Meter is written in short as m.
Small letter m.
To measure length smaller than a meter, we use centimeter.
Very good.
Centimeter is written in short as
Okay, Sandria. Good. Sandria is so good. Now the last point, 100 centimeter will make 1 meter. Okay, so these points you have to by heart it. Okay, these points are very important. You have to by heart it, and I will ask you next day.
Ma'am,
See, yes, Risa? Risa didn't complete. Okay, I will I will send in the group. That's enough, Risa. It's 12:20 now. I will send it in the group. Okay. So thank you for joining. Study will and come tomorrow. Okay. I will ask you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
See, Sandria, what are you doing there? Okay, anyway, thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.